the heavens.
It did. It sounded like it came from like heaven above. Like, I mean, it was just this glorious sound. And this guy was just like, oh, and we were like, oh.
Excuse us? Yes?
I'm your worst enemy.
What is it?
9, 9, we're both
Is it a 9? Okay.
Do you want to know which one his 9 is?
Cut.
I was just trying to kill his 9 with my 9, but we both died. You had the same.
Hi, buddy. Do you like your bed? Yeah.
No.
3.
Bop.
What's that?
3.
3.
10.
10?
You're dead.
Wow. That's a move.
And I can make this right here. I can put it on here. And I can do this.
That's fantastic. Quite the talent you have.
I have a rubber band in my room, but I took it away. Because just one rubber band was in my room. I could take it on that one.
Kyle burnt his hands today. What were you doing?
Cooking cheese sticks.
Close enough. We're getting our eye exams right now. We're trying out a different place. As you all know, my glasses have been broken for like 2 years, so. Grandma came reinforcements. That's a sleepy baby. She just won't give it up.
Is your eyes closed?
No, but they're like half closed. She's so excited to be
Hi.
She's like, hey Krista, this is my first time at a Japanese steakhouse.
You're
outside
gonna be
of the tummy.
impressed. You're gonna be impressed. Your mom's gonna have some steak, I think.
Yeah, it's chicken.
It's gonna be delicious. You don't know how you feel about it, huh?
Alright, Kyle, what did you get?
I forget. Spicy tuna, rock and roll, and crunch shrimp, I think. So it's got mayo on it.
That's all I know. Fire or no fire?
Yes, fire.
All right. Watch how you ever. We don't have mama kid anymore.
Alright.
911. Oh, it's all Alright, anybody want to take a ride today? You want to try? You want to try?
Try what?
Queso rice? You want to catch it?
Gonna catch the rice.
No?
In my mouth? Or just,
Of course!
oh, and you're, okay, alright, I'll try, Kelly.
First day.
1, 2, 3. Ah! We're getting all around. Alright, one more time.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Japanese firework. See?
Wow.
Whoa. Japanese barbecue.
Wow.
Alright, this is train.
the way, this is her sister. She's not doing a weird voiceover. So I think Courtney and I thought these were turkeys. Hold on. Because from certain angles, their beaks look like wattles or whatever, but then you look to the side and it's clearly like a swan or a goose wearing some sort of fancy hat. So that happened, but you're welcome, Courtney. I want to walk over here. Did they stop? Oh, I bet we can hear them in the backyard. Y'all. We were hoping you guys could hear it. Let's go to the backyard. Guys, we got out of the car and we heard like a trumpet. Like loudly, and we were joking, we were like, is that an elephant? Like, Kyle, don't swing her around so much. Tossing the baby in the chair. And then we heard this man singing like beautifully, and it's like echoing through the night, and it was like clearly like we realized it was like a mariachi band.
And very nice.
Like, but like you guys don't understand.
They're singing harmony.
I'm gonna go back out and get stuff. They're like high quality, amazing, and it's like echoing, reverberating through the night like beautifully. And the people applauding. Look at this night sky too. Holy smokes. I hear people laughing.
Party, clearly.
But they're not that close. That's what you guys don't understand. Is it's not like people right by us. So like it was literally the way the sky is tonight.
It sounded like it came from the heavens.
It did. It sounded like it came from like heaven above. Like, I mean, it was just this glorious setting. This guy was just like, oh, and we were like, oh.
Jesus?
It was so surreal, and the sky is looking amazing tonight. Kyle, would you fix the mat real quick?
Otherworldly? What did you say?
The sky is looking otherworldly. I know, the wind keeps catching it. We're getting a tunnel effect here.
Gotta lay it down. Yeah, the wind right in this area is real sharp.
Well, if we put it a little bit under there,
I know, but I just put a rock on it.
which I can never sit on because I'll get chalk on my bottom since the kids decided to chalk it up. I wish. And then we drove by this house, and I didn't film it. I really wish I had. We drove by this house that...
No spoilers. No spoilers. Just tell them it was amazing, and they're gonna see it.
Okay, Kyle said don't spoil it. It was amazing.
All I can say
Another
is,
night we're gonna drive by and film it.
All I can say is I've literally never seen anything like it before in my life, and I literally have never seen anything like it before in my life.
Me either, and it was amazing.